What if you didn't have to constantly post content, stay glued to your phone, or burn hours editing videos to make money online? What if a single tool could do the hard work for you day and night and bring in money while you're asleep, on vacation, or spending time with your family? This isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening. And it's all thanks to a tool called Clip. Right now, thousands of content creators, freelancers, small business owners, and even complete beginners are using this AI tool to build automated income streams. It's fast, efficient, and insanely smart. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most powerful ways Clip is helping people make money on autopilot without needing to learn complex editing or marketing. Let's get into it. Hash 10. It instantly turns long videos into short viral. Clips. One of the biggest headaches for content creators is taking a long video like a podcast, tutorial, or interview and turning it into smaller clips that people actually watch. That's where Clip comes in. It uses advanced AI to automatically find the most engaging, high-impact moments from your video and turns them into short, vertical clips in just minutes. You don't have to sit and edit, trim frames, or guess which parts will work. The tool does it all for you, saving hours of work. These short clips are perfectly optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook. The AI looks at factors like emotional tone, speech intensity, body language, and engagement potential to select the best segments. This means you can post more content across platforms, reach wider audiences, and increase your chances of going viral from a single long video. In 2025, short-form content is dominating every major platform, and tools like Clip make it possible to stay ahead of the trend without burning out. It's smart, efficient, and built for creators who want results fast. Number 9. It comes with built-in captions and hooks. Clip doesn't just cut your video, it adds catchy on-screen captions, hooks at the beginning, emojis, zoom effects, and even keyword optimization. Why does this matter? Because these are the exact features that increase watch time and engagement. If you're a YouTuber or influencer, these clips help drive traffic back to your main content. If you sell digital products, they pull in buyers, and if you're a coach or course creator, they attract leads with zero effort on your part. You're creating sales-friendly content around the clock. Number 8. It works for every niche, whether you talk about fitness, finance, parenting, productivity, cooking, or travel. It doesn't matter. Clip doesn't require a specific niche. As long as your video has a clear message or story, it finds the highlights and creates engaging shorts. This is why it's being used by solo entrepreneurs, educators, online coaches, small business owners, and even podcasters. Anyone who records long-form content can turn it into bite-sized gold. That flexibility means it can generate income for nearly every content type. Hash 7. It saves you hours of time every week. Ask any content creator what takes the most time, and most will say editing. Editing a single long-form video can eat up several hours. Then you still have to create short clips for social media, add captions, zoom effects, transitions, and post them across platforms. For many creators, this process takes 5 to 10 hours a week, sometimes even more if they're managing multiple platforms or clients. That's where Clip changes the game. Instead of sitting through your footage and manually cutting clips, this AI tool does everything for you in just minutes. You upload your video, and it automatically picks out the best moments, adds captions, hooks, and formats it for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. It's practically hands-free. This time-saving feature isn't just useful, it's profitable. When creators save time, they can post more consistently, take on more projects, and focus on higher-value work like partnerships or product development. Freelancers, too, are using Clip to deliver faster, take on more clients, and boost their income all with less effort. Hash 6. It helps you go viral without paid ads. Going viral used to be luck. Now it's part science, part smart tools. Clip uses AI to score each clip based on its virality potential. It considers things like audience retention, topic intensity, facial expressions, voice tone, and emotional spikes, then it recommends which clips to post for the best chance of going viral, and if even one of your videos takes off. It can drive thousands of followers and customers to your brand for free. This kind of organic reach is extremely rare unless you're using tools like this .5. It's perfect for affiliate marketing. This is where things get exciting. Tons of users are making short videos using Opus Clip, adding affiliate links in their bio or video descriptions, and earning commissions on Autopilot. Here's how. Let's say you review a product, a book, or a course. You upload the video. Opus Clip turns it into 5 short videos, you post them, and people start clicking your affiliate link. Every click and sale makes you money even weeks or months later. And because short-form video spreads fast, your content keeps working for you long after you've logged off. Number 4. It boosts coaching and digital product sales if you sell digital products like books, templates, courses, or coaching programs. Then Opus Clip can literally become your sales assistant. Coaches use their Zoom calls or training videos, upload them to Opus, and then get 10 to 15 short clips that highlight their knowledge. Each clip acts like a tiny ad. You post those across TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. People watch, trust you, and click through to your website or funnel. This turns views into clients without cold DMs or expensive ads. And once your content is scheduled, it's basically automated. #3. It builds passive income on YouTube Shorts. Here's something that most people don't realize. YouTube Shorts now pays creators through ad revenue, just like long-form videos. The more views your shorts get, the more money you make. And with Opus Clip, you can create dozens of shorts from a single video. Creators are uploading 2 to 3 shorts a day, watching them gain traction, and seeing monthly ad income grow without making new videos from scratch. The best part? Many of these clips keep getting views for months, meaning your income builds over time. Number 2. It's freelancers. Secret weapon. Freelancers are using Opus Clip to offer short-form content editing as a service. They take client podcasts, interviews, or training videos, run them through Opus Clip, and deliver 10 to 15 shorts in an hour. No deep editing knowledge required. Clients are paying $100 to $300 per batch of clips, and because the process is automated, freelancers are earning more while doing less. Some even package this as a monthly content service, creating recurring income. That's the kind of Autopilot setup everyone wants. Number 1. It turns content into an automated business. At the end of the day, Opus Clip doesn't just help you post faster, it helps you build an actual system. A system that takes raw content and turns it into money automatically. You record one long-form video, upload it to Opus Clip. It creates 5 to 20 shorts. You schedule them to go out daily. They bring in traffic, views, affiliate clicks, product sales, coaching leads, or sponsorships, all while you're working on your next thing or not working at all. This kind of automation was once only possible with big teams and expensive software. Now, with Opus Clip, anyone with a phone and a message can use AI to generate consistent income online. So, is Opus Clip a magic button that instantly makes you rich? No, you still need content, a clear message, and something valuable to offer. But what it does give you is leverage. It multiplies your reach, saves your time, and opens up new income streams you never thought possible. This tool isn't just for influencers or tech-savvy creators, it's for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. If you've got ideas, knowledge, or a voice, Opus Clip can help you turn that into money, even while you sleep. If this video helped you understand how AI is changing the game, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see it, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more ways to grow smarter in 20 to 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.